My name is Paul van Zoggel. I work for Jacob van den Borne Potatoes in the Netherlands and Belgium. To do precision irrigation, it helps us save water and understand better the process and saves us time in positioning the systems. Yannick Smets used to do an internship with us, and today he has developed his own weather station we try and use every day. In spring and summer we use drones on a daily basis to discover diseases, follow the growth and do other observations. Precision farming helps us to do the right thing on the right place on the right time. It is possible to do everything very regenerative, ecological. However, our main challenge is trust. Trust that we can deliver in an environmental friendly way, and we will get the space again to do so. This was 1 minute. Maybe see you next time.